Here we go. James. Right before we start baseball, guys, we're waiting on 2 payments. I think we'll be good to go, though. I think I messaged. Mosaic. Fast break. Jimothy. Let's hit something crazy, man. And then we'll finish with baseball, guys. Oh, I guess, did I not message for baseball yet? I did? No, it ended while I was doing that. Uh-oh, we got a gold right out of the gate. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. I think it goes this way. Okay, could have been better, could have been worse. Tobias Harris, Sixers to 10. 1 of 10. Gold disco. Kevin Knox, disco. Rui. Alexander Walker. Windler. Claxton. Aaron Gordon. Magic on the disco. Disco, man. Steph Curry. Doumbaya. Hunter. Upside down. Charles Barkley. Hall of Fame Mosaic. Nice card there. Sir Charles. Fernando Ewing. There's a Kobe White rookie. Nasir Little. Disco rookie. Zion rookie. Just add him up. Just add him up. Jalen Noel. Ty Jerome. Ty Jerome. He comes together. Austin Rivers. Disco. Cam Reddish. Photo variation. Disco rookie. Nicely done. Solid one to get there. Here's a blue. There's a Zion debut. There's a Rui. And your blue should be rotated. Oh! NBA debut. Ja Morant, 3 of 85. James, there you go. Morant blue, debut rookie to 85. Ding, ding. Melly for the Pellies. Nice. Giannis. MVP disco. James, this box is killing it. DJ. Basley. Porzingis. Disco man. Roby. Satoransky. Disco. Please save your auto. Here it comes. Oh, we got him in the last box. Larry Johnson. Autograph. Larry Johnson. Horton Tucker. DeAndre Hunter. 2 packs to go. Fantastic box. Mosaic, just a fun, safe product with a bunch of upside. Arden. Stairmasters. And last pack, Jimothy. Romeo. Kai Bowman. Disco rookie. James, there you have it, brother.